Hello students. So this week we are going to see about a chapter in natural science in zoology, that is the animal kingdom. So what do you mean by animal kingdom? So all the animals present in the world included in a common animal kingdom because they have a common future. They have some locomotory organ. They can move from one place to another place. So all the animals are kept under animal kingdom. Now we are going to see about the classification of living organism. So what is classification? Classification is the ordering of organism into groups. So there are 5 kingdom classifications we have seen. Already you might have studied in the 7th and 8th standard. So they are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. So Monera includes all prokaryotes, Protista eukaryotes. And fungi, already you know, it was not included in plant and animalia. There was an intermediate character, so it was kept under a separate phylum, a separate kingdom, that is fungi. Then plantae, plants, and animalia, animals. So these groups formed based on the cell structure, mode of nutrition, body organization and reproduction. So based on this cell structure, nutrition, organization and reproduction, these groups are formed. So the organisms are separated into smaller groups which form the basic unit of classification. Introduction. So nearly 1.5 million species of organisms are described. So every organisms show some variation in their external appearance, internal structure, behavior and mode of living. So the method of arranging organism into groups on the basis of சரி வாங்கலையா சரி சரி வாங்கிருங்க The science of classification makes the study of wide variety of organisms easier. So the grouping of animals based upon similarities and differences, so that is called classification. So it is made by Swedish botanist Carolus. Now in the classification, the basic unit, the basal unit is called species, the lowest taxonomic category. So for example, so if I want to introduce myself, means what I will do. So I am Sumangala. So I have finished MSc, MPhil, B.Ed and in zoology. Then my address I will use to say like that. Every animals have a address. So in the classification, so among the address, the basal unit is species. So like that, our place, we will mention our place at the last in the address. Like that, species is the lowest taxonomic category. For example, the large Indian parakeet. So the name is Pistacula eupetrita. And then another one species, Pistacula carameri. So they are commonly present in a genus Pistacula, but the species is vary. So one variety is Eupetra and another one is Crameri, are two different species of birds. They belong to different species, Eupetra, Crameri. They never interbreed with one another. They never interbreed or reproduce with one another. So they kept under Eupator and Caramari. See, you can see the varieties. Two different species of birds. Hello students. So this week we are going to see about a chapter in natural science in zoology, that is the animal kingdom. So what do you mean by animal kingdom? So all the animals present in the world included in a common animal kingdom because they have a common future. They have some locomotory organ. They can move from one place to another place. So all the animals are. So Canis palipes, Canis aris. Then family. A group of genera. They have several common characters. They together kept in a form that is family. So for example, leopard, tiger, cat, they are sharing a common characteristics. So they kept it together in a large cat family, that is Felidae. So in the external appearance and mode of feeding, more or less all are sharing a common characters. So they kept under cat family Felidae. See, you can see the picture. Leopard, tiger, larger cat. Then order. Next classification is order. A number of related families having common characters. They are placed in order. For example, monkeys, buffoon, apes, and man. They belong to different families, but they are placed in the same order. Primates. So all are sharing a common characters: monkeys, buffoon, apes, and man. So they are kept under primates. They can stand erect. They can completely different from other animals. So they kept under the same order, primates. Indian monkey, buffoon. Apes monkey, monkey man. See a slight difference between these among. They are sharing the forest and all. Then external features are more or less resemblance is there. So they are commonly kept under the same order, primates. Class. Similar orders together form a class. So the orders of different animals like rabbit, rat, bat, whale, chimpanzee, and human, they are sharing a common features: presence of skin, mammary gland. So hence they are placed in the class Mammalia. See, rabbit, rat, bat. All are mammals. They can give birth young ones and feed with their milks. So they are commonly called as mammals. They placed in the same class, mammals. The whales and chimpanzee also included in the. Then the phylum. The classes which are related with one another constitute phylum. For example, different animals like mammals, birds, reptiles, frogs, and fishes constitute a phylum, Chordata. Why it was kept, all these different kind of animals kept under Chordata? They have notochord or vertebral column or backbone. So due to the presence of this, all are kept under the same phylum, Chordata. See, you can see the varieties. Two different: Indian monkey, frog, fishes. All, what are the animals you have seen in the picture? All are included in the phylum Chordata because they are having backbone. So now kingdom. So it is the highest category, the largest division, microorganism, plants, and which animals also belong to. So you can see the hierarchy order of the kingdom. In the ladder, the last step is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom.